Welcome to the College of American Pathologists training video, Managing Competency Assessment Program User Access, the first in a series of videos for administrators of the CAP's Competency Assessment Program. This video will demonstrate how to add new users to the Competency Assessment Program and manage their access and permissions settings. After logging in to the CAP website, click the link Access Your Competency Assessment Program. On the Competency Assessment Program homepage, look for the Education Administrator Actions section. Click Manage Users' Online Access and Permissions. Click Add New Users. In the Add New User and Permission window, we have the option to add users individually or upload a list of multiple users. First, we'll show you how to add users individually. Make sure the option for Enter Name and Email Address is selected. Then enter the user's first name, last name, and email address. Then click Continue. To give this user access to the program, check the Access Course box under Competency Assessment. Note, if you are a site administrator, you can add other permissions as well, including giving the user Education Admin permission. Once you have chosen the permissions options for this user, click Submit. You should now see the newly added user, Mary Wallace, in the list as a pending user. She will receive an email inviting her to participate in the program. Next, we'll demonstrate how to add multiple users at once. As before, click Add New Users. Select the radio button next to Upload Multiple Users. To add multiple users, you'll need a spreadsheet. Click Download Sample Spreadsheet to download a spreadsheet formatted for this purpose. Create your spreadsheet with the user's first names in the first column, last names in the second column, and email addresses in the third column. Note that the header row must be used and in the exact format listed, or the spreadsheet will not load. Also note that the users in this list will be assigned the same level of permissions. If you want to give one user a different set of permissions than the other users, for example, Education Admin permission, you will have to either add that user individually or go back to the user's listing once uploaded and add the additional permissions. Be sure to save the spreadsheet on your computer with the CSV, delimited, file type. To upload the spreadsheet, go back to the Add New User and Permission window and click Browse. Locate your saved spreadsheet on your computer, click on the file name, then click Open to select the file. Once your file has been uploaded, click Continue. Check the box next to the permissions that you wish to assign to the users in the spreadsheet. As we said before, the available types of permissions depend on whether you are an education administrator or a site administrator. And remember that the permissions you select will apply to all users in this group. Once you have chosen the permissions options for these users, click Save. All pending users have been sent an email inviting them to participate. If you click a user's name in the list, you can see the permission details for that user. All new users will have the status of Pending Access until they accept the invitation. If you ever need to change the permissions for a user, for example, to make her an education administrator, you can do so from this window by checking or unchecking boxes as necessary. That's all there is to it. You should now be able to add either individual or multiple users to the Competency Assessment Program and manage their access and permissions settings for using the program. Now that you've invited your users to participate in the program, you can start creating groups of users, custom courses and checklists, and assigning courses and checklists to your users. This concludes the training video, Managing Competency Assessment Program User Access. To view other videos or additional information about using the Competency Assessment Program, Consult the eLab Solutions Suite Help page or the Need Help page in the Competency Assessment Program.